Sony a7R 42.4MP full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. Thanks to an evolutionary leap in image processing power and efficiency, the a7R combines a high-resolution 42.4MP back-illuminated a7r CMOS image sensor with impressive shooting speeds at up to 10 fps, with full AF/A tracking, as well as beautiful 4K 2HDR3 video quality, wide 15:4 dynamic range and high sensitivity with noise reduction of almost a full stop 4, shown here with the Sony FE24. Spectacular 42.4MP full-frame resolution. The 42.4MP high-resolution back-illuminated a7r CMOS sensor utilizes a gapless on-chip lens design and anti-reflective coating on the surface of the sensor's seal glass to dramatically improve light collection efficiency. This results in high sensitivity with low noise performance and wide 15:4 dynamic range. No optical low-pass filter maximizes resolution, while also having the ability to output 14-bit RAW15 format even when shooting in silent or continuous mode. Nothing less than spectacular images. High-quality 4K 2HDR3 for the video professionals. The a7R is exceptionally capable as a video camera, offering 4K to 3840 by 2160 pixels video recording across the full width of the full-frame image sensor. When shooting in Super 35mm format, the camera uses full pixel readout without pixel binning to collect 5K 15 megapixels of information, oversampling it to produce high-quality 4K footage with exceptional detail and depth. Both S-Log2 and S-Log3 are available for increased color grading flexibility, while HLG Hybrid Log Gamma 3 is included to support an instant HDR high dynamic range workflow, allowing HDR HLG compatible TVs to play back beautiful, true-to-life 4K HDR imagery. The a7R can also record Full HD at 120 fps at up to 100 megabits per second, allowing footage to be reviewed and eventually edited into 4x or 5x slow-motion 13 video files.